What if I told you the key to transforming your entire life, health, wealth, relationships, and happiness has been in your hands all along? What if everything you've ever wanted is already on its way to you, and all you have to do is ask? That's not just motivational fluff. That's the foundation of The Secret, a book that changed millions of lives and revealed a timeless truth. You create your life through the power of your thoughts. So let's get to the heart of it. What is this secret? It's the law of attraction, a universal law that says, attracts, that means your thoughts are magnetic. Every single thought you think is sending out a frequency into the universe, and the universe in turn responds by delivering experiences that match that frequency. Whether you realize it or not, you're manifesting your life in every moment. Most people do it unconsciously. The Secret invites you to do it with full awareness and intention. Here's how it works. You think a thought, let's say, never have enough money. That thought carries emotion. That emotion becomes a frequency. That frequency goes out and says to the universe, more lack, please. The universe, being neutral and obedient, says, your wish is my command. And suddenly, your bills grow, your income shrinks, and you find yourself saying, see, I knew I was broke. It becomes a self-fulfilling loop. But here's the shift. What if you changed that thought to something simple, powerful, and positive? Money flows to me easily. I am worthy of abundance. Now, your frequency changes, and your reality begins to follow. Rhonda Byrne doesn't just talk about wishful thinking. She introduces a simple 3-step process that comes straight from ancient spiritual and philosophical teachings. Ask, believe, receive. First, you ask. You decide what you want with absolute clarity. Write it down. Feel it. Be specific. This is your order to the universe. Second, you believe. Not halfway, not maybe. You believe it's already done. You act as if it's already yours. You feel the emotion of having it. And then, the final step, you receive. You become a vibrational match to your desire by feeling good, by living in joy, gratitude, and excitement now, even before the desire shows up. Here's the part most people miss. The universe responds to how you feel, not just what you think. Thoughts are the starting point, but your emotions are the fuel. That's why feeling good is your job. That's why gratitude is so powerful. When you feel appreciation for what you have, you create space for more to flow in. When you feel love, joy, peace, you align with the frequency of your highest good. The Secret shares real-life stories of people healing chronic illness, attracting love, landing dream jobs, and even receiving unexpected checks in the mail, simply by changing their thoughts and emotions. It may sound unbelievable until you try it. And when you do, something amazing happens. You realize that the outer world is just a mirror of your inner world. Change your inner world, and the outer must follow. And yes, doubt will come up. You'll think, but I don't see results yet. Or, I've been thinking positively, but nothing's happening. But that's where you must stay strong. Because just like a seed needs time to grow, your manifestations need time to align. And the fastest way to block your desires is to dwell in lack or impatience. So instead, trust the process. Trust your power. Keep visualizing. Keep affirming. Keep believing. Because the law of attraction never stops working. It's always listening. This is also why The Secret places so much importance on visualization. Close your eyes. See yourself living the life you want. Don't just see it. Feel it. Feel the weight of the keys in your hand as you open the door to your dream home. Feel the joy of seeing that message from your soulmate. Feel the satisfaction of hearing your boss say, "You've been promoted." The more real it feels in your mind, the faster it becomes real in your world. Here's the ultimate truth. The Secret wants you to realize you are the creator, not a victim, not a puppet, a powerful divine creator. You were never meant to live by default. You were born to live by design. So the next time you catch yourself thinking negatively, stop, breathe, replace the thought. Choose better. Say, I choose abundance. I choose love. I choose joy, because every thought is a building block, and the masterpiece you're building is your life. This is not magic, it's alignment, it's energy, it's physics, it's ancient wisdom now wrapped in modern language, and it works for anyone at any time, anywhere in the world. So now you know, the secret was never really hidden. It's been whispering through every desire, every day dream, every moment your heart longed for more. The universe is not withholding from you. It's waiting on you, waiting for you to ask with clarity, to believe without fear, and to receive with open hands and a grateful heart. When you understand that your thoughts are not just private musings, but the blueprints of your future, you begin to live differently, intentionally, powerfully, lovingly. You realize you're not here to chase, to struggle, or to beg for crumbs. You're here to create, to align, to attract. This is your permission to step fully into that truth. Start small, stay consistent, and remember, what you seek is already seeking you. The secret is no longer a mystery. It's your mission. Now live it. So if you want to start today, here's your challenge. Tonight, before bed, close your eyes. Visualize one thing you deeply want. Feel it like it's already yours. Fall asleep in that feeling. Do this for the next 7 nights. Add affirmations like, I am attracting everything I need with ease, or the universe loves and supports me in all things. Watch what begins to shift. Because the secret isn't about what's out there. It's about what's always been in you. The moment you believe is the moment you receive. And if you felt something shift inside you today, if even one part of you whispered, yes, this is what I've been needing, then make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe for more teachings, tools, and manifestation methods rooted in real spiritual power. We're just getting started, and your next breakthrough could be one video away. Your thoughts are creating, your energy is attracting, and your life is listening. Hey, I've got something exciting to share with you. Are you ready to boost your confidence, attract positivity, and feel more at peace? My new ebook, Powerful and Positive Affirmations to Change Your Life in 30 Days, is the ultimate guide to creating lasting change. With daily affirmations, guided meditations, and visualization techniques, this 30-day challenge will help you feel more motivated, confident, and purposeful. And the best part, it's only $4.99. Start your transformation today. Grab your copy and watch your life change.